Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to remove the stock handlebars. Okay, so in order to remove the fenders, you're going to have to remove these on each side. I have already removed that one, so this one here has got to come out. Slide it forward, depending on what way you're facing, but I'm facing this way, so it's forward for me, okay? And it's just going to pop out of there. You got these little clips here, you know, they slide. Here is another one of these. Here is another one of them. There is one, and there is one. And then after that, a hex screw there, a hex screw there, and then a regular bolt, 10 millimeter. Fender will come off. And then you can get to all the wiring stuff. Same thing over here to get the headlight out, to give you room to work on all the stuff, because it's pretty tight in there. Well, this one is a little more elaborate than my 400s. Had to take both sides of the fenders off, and then this here gets bolted up there. I needed that out of the way so I could get to the wiring that for the ignition, because it goes into here, and it just gives you a little bit more room to work, because you got to get those 3 tabs, you know, those 3 tabs, and then it can slide out. And it seems like you get 1 or 2 just started, and then the other one don't want to work, so it's a pain in the derriere. There we are with our handlebars off. Now the next thing we're going to do, take these out to put our key and warning lights, reverse and neutral. Well, that's what the new handlebars look like. They have pretty much about the same sweep, but they're a little bit longer, so it gives you a little more leverage. This is the for the headlights, and it's got that little tab sticking right there. It corresponds with that hole in the handlebar, so that when you put it on there, you know where it is. The new one doesn't have a hole, and it's not going to fit on there so great. I'm going to cut it and probably hit it with like a little die grinder. Just get it out of there. Okay, before I close out of here, just want to explain what we did here. I put a zip tie around there for the choke. Right now the only thing I have is the whiteys. So when I do go to the store and get black ones, I'm going to put it down here so that you don't start yanking it and pulling it all over the place. So that'll hold it down there better. So just a thought to let you all know what the heck to do, you know.